I've never seen anything like this. And I have, as you've mentioned, been to Pakistan many times. I am absolutely with you in pushing the international community to do more. We're in a situation like this where it is, the needs are so great, and truly every effort is either a life or death for so many people. Every current effort, and I've seen the Army, I've been with the Army and with my colleagues at IRC, and I've seen those lives who were saved, but I've also seen those who I've been speaking to people and thinking if enough aid doesn't come, they won't be here in the next few weeks. They won't make it. Too many children, so malnourished, and then even if they make it through these next months with the winter coming and the destruction of the crops and the hard reality, I am overwhelmed. I'm here as a friend to Pakistan and to the many warm friends and relationships I have here, and will continue to return. My heart is very, very much with people at this time.